Gonna take my latch, pull it through the base of the ponytail. Hi, my name is T. Cooper and I'm a makeup artist and hairstylist here in New York City. Currently, I'm wearing passion twists and these are protective style. Protective styles are styles that you wear when you want to keep your hair free of heat styling and just general styling and products in general. So the first thing we want to do while creating a passion twist is we want to take the section of hair we're going to create the twist with and we're going to rubber band it. I'm going to go around this section probably 4 to 6 times because my hair is fine and I really want to make sure I get it nice and secure. Next, I'm going to go in with my edge control and I'm just going to smooth it along my hair from root to tip. Now we're going to take 2 pieces of the passion twist hair. This is about 22 inches, but I want to stretch it to make it a little bit longer. Now I'm going to twist this hair in the center. It just makes it a little bit easier to pull through. I'm going to take my latch, pull it through the base of the ponytail, and attach the hair into the latch, and I'm going to close it. I'm going to pull it through the base of the ponytail, and I'm going to take one side and pull it all the way through. Now what you want to do is you just kind of want to make sure that they're evenish, adjust it to where they're about the same. You split your hair into 2, and then you begin to twist. And you just twist it all the way down to the bottom. As I twist, I kind of like to pull it up. So I twist and pull, twist and pull. And as you get to the end, you just keep twisting. What I like to do when I reach the end is roll it around my 2 fingers like that, and then I release it. So here you go, one fresh passion twist.